Welcome to Future Phone Flash. In this video, we'll delve into the intriguing details surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thanks to leaks, we have an early glimpse, so let's delve into what's known. Introduction to Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is slated for early July, where the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be officially unveiled. However, a recent leak has already given us a sneak peek at this innovative device. Design consistency and updates. The leaked images reveal the Galaxy Z Fold 6's design, which maintains a consistent aesthetic seen in the previous three generations. While the design changes are more evolutionary than revolutionary, there are significant updates, particularly in the display realm. Squared-off corners. One notable change is the device's corners, now featuring squared-off edges, lending the phone a more angular appearance. Though not a sharp 90-degree angle, the corners boast a smaller radius compared to the Z Fold 5. This subtle tweak will enhance the viewing experience, particularly for videos and photos. Improved cover screen. The second significant update is the redesigned cover screen, resembling a traditional candy bar-shaped display. This alteration makes the cover screen wider than previous models, improving usability when the phone is closed. While it doesn't match the width of the Galaxy S24 series, it's a welcomed enhancement. OUTRO. That concludes our sneak peek into the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest in tech updates. Thank you for tuning in to Future Phone Flash, and we'll see you in the next video.